So I just want to record a short video on how you can find discounts on student beans. First things first, you have to be registered on student beans. The registration process is it's not tedious at all. It's really just short and straight to the point. All they ask for is your email and your name, and I think a couple of other details. Yeah, you can sign up on student beans with your personal email, but at some point during the registration process, you'll be asked for your school email, and the purpose of that is because they'll send a mail to your school email just to verify that you're actually a student. So yeah, as the name implies, student beings is for students. On the homepage already, you can see that there are so many companies or websites or organizations that offer student discounts. Okay, in case you don't know about Student Beans, in case it's your first time of hearing of Student Beans is a platform that showcases student discounts. You can find discounts ranging from beauty, health, fitness, travel, so many that like hundreds, if not thousands of discounts you can get as a student on Student Beans. Sometimes the company also partners with certain organizations or with these organizations to offer exclusive discounts. So what that means is that you may not be able to get a discount code elsewhere, but you may find a discount code for that company on Student Beans. So to find a discount code, you can apply during checkout when shopping. All you have to do is just go to the search bar here or here. You could also just scroll on the homepage, but that's just such a long journey. So you just have to go to the search bar. Let me say I want to book a trip and I'm traveling by bus and I want to use National Express. All I have to do is just come here on my search bar, type the name of the company. Already, it's already showing me National Express. So I just have to tap on National Express and continue. Some of these discount codes, some of them come with conditions. Like this one now, we can see it has conditions, and the condition is the trip must be planned. You okay? Bookings must be made 3 days in advance of travel. Some of them don't come with any conditions. You can just tap here and you just see your discount code already. So once you finish reading the conditions and you're like, and you feel or you see that you actually meet those conditions, then you can go ahead to tap on get code and open site. So after tapping on get code and open site, it's going to redirect you to the site. So we can see this tab was not here before, but now it's here. But before you go on to go there, you should copy your what's it called now, your discount code, your coupon, then go and do your shopping. Sometimes you can also finish shopping and just come here and get a discount code. You mustn't come here first before to get the discount code before you start shopping. You could shop, then come here, get your discount code, and at the checkout, just copy and paste your discount code in the box provided for it. So that's it. It's really just as easy as this. It's really just as easy as this. I've saved quite a considerable sum by using student beans to get student discounts. So you should really try it out if you're a student. Bye. I hope this was helpful for you.